definitely thought you'd enjoy this snow. It's been like 80 degrees all day, and it's now, we have a massive snow, no, it's almost, I don't even know what this is. It's hail and water, and it just started coming down all of a sudden. I'm completely drenched driving to work, and I was outside for less than 30 seconds. I hope you can hear this, because this is ridiculous. It feels like it's going to break my window. Holy cow. It's going to suck. Oh, man. You gotta love Michigan weather for sure. Oh, dear. And my windows are fogging up. Huh. Alright, let's try this. A lot of people out working on the electrical lines right now. Is that okay? It's probably not good. And I live on a dirt road. How frustrating is that? Wow. I'm really glad I'm not working in construction today. That would be so sad. Okay, I gotta go pay attention to the road, but I wanted to show you what it was like when I walked outside. Oh, it's lightening up a little bit. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.